Hey, bro. Nah, you was walking that way. Yeah, I saw you.
Yeah, I saw you too. I saw you.
Yeah, you seen that?
I seen that shit. Yeah, you think you slick. You think you real slick. Uh-huh.
I saw it too! I recorded it.
You saw that shit? We saw that shit.
We saw that shit.
Oh, my bad. Yeah, you're right. Appreciate you guys. Thank you.
Louis, no way, bro. What's up? No. Hey, everybody, listen. This is literally like the funniest dude you will ever meet in your life, bro.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Good, gang.
But, I just came over here to tell you that I can't go to your birthday party, bro.
Why?
Because my grandma just died.
She dead. Oh, no.
She got hit by a truck!
Oh, no.
Why are you laughing?
Damn, bro.
I told you.
Who played that?
He's so funny, bro. You're so funny. Oh, my God. You're a comedian, bro.
Damn. Here we go again.
We told them.
Get that shit! Ah! Get that shit! Get that shit! Get that shit! Get that shit!
The fuck you doing here, nigga? Identify yourself. Who the fuck are you?
Gang, 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 gang. Wash the fucking dishes! Shut the fuck up! Fucking psycho bullshit asshole!
Died. My son. He crashed the car sneaking out to go to a party. I can see why you grounded him. My condolences, though. Thank you.
Everybody learn your ABCs. Start with A, then end with Z. Everybody learn your ABCs. Start with A, then end with Z. Yo A, yo B, yo 1, 2, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yo A, yo B's, yo A, B's and C's again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, yo.
Is anyone here a doctor?
I'm a doctor. What's going on?
He's having a heart attack.
I'm a doctor in philosophy.
He's going to die.
We're all gonna die.
He's right.
Oh, why they keep letting you in here with a suit? The same reason your sister keeps letting me in her. I look good when I do it. Move, bro.
What are you playing? Oh, fuck. What are you doing in my room? Well, your mum said that you have to play with me and show me your Xbox. Fuck's sake. Well, I actually, I don't have Xbox. I can actually see it right here. And wait, you have a really big TV. Yeah, can you stop rubbing your ice cream on it, please? Oh, what the gross. So, what do you want to play? Seriously? Ooh, sorry. Oh, I'm about to beat the fuck out of this guy. Oh, I got an idea. Why don't we have a pillow fight? Actually, that's not a bad idea, Billy. Oh, thank you. Should I go first? Yeah, so you hit me first, and then I'll hit you next. All right. Oh, really good shot. Now it's my go. Bro, I can't lie, is there toilets?
Bro, there's no toilets,
Bro, my belly is rumbling, bro.
I see your belly
Bro,
rumbling,
the whole
bro.
day, I need to poo.
Bro, there's no toilets, bro. Wait, hold on, wait. What you doing with those leaves, bro?
Tissue, fam.
Tissue for what, bro?
Bro, back in the old days and that, did you think they had tissue?
Why are you talking
They
about...
never made tissue back then. I have to use the tissue to wipe my bum and that.
Are you in Africa,
Bro, look, bro, you can use it as leaves.
No, bro. Are you in Africa, bro?
Bro, I'll just find a bush.
No. Yeah, no, bro.
I'll just find a bush. I need to poo.
We're not doing that.
My name is Bugging Alive. Alive?
Stay my bed, but I know that my money will never. Where's your step my back?
Stop this madness. What do you want from me? What do you want? Please!
Can I have two McChickens?
Buffalo sauce?
Buffalo sauce.